Hello children, welcome to Maths online class. We are continuing with the same chapter, numbers up to 200. Today we will complete this chapter, and this Saturday you are going to have Maths online test on this chapter. So in our next class I am going to give you a quick revision on the chapter. Alright, so yesterday we have learned about even and odd numbers. Alright, so today we are going to do few sums on that. Okay, so this is try this from page number 16. Okay, so you may write down question number 1, you will do it yourself. Now question number 2 is circle the even numbers. As I have already explained it to you very nicely, that even numbers are those which can be paired, or even numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in the ones place. So that means 4 is an even number and 6 is an even number. Okay, in the same way 12 is having 2 in ones place, so it is an even number. 18 is also having 8 in ones place, so it is an even number. Alright, so in this question 193, 142, these are 3-digit number, but you have to see the ones place. So here the ones place is 2, so 2 is an even number, and here 138, 8 is in even number, 8 is in ones place and it is an even number, so you have to circle that one. Okay, in the same way here it is 186 and 184 is even number. Okay children, so this in question number 2 only these two you have to write in your copy, this one not required. Now cross out the odd numbers. Now in this question you have to cross the odd numbers. Okay, odd numbers 0 ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 are even numbers. That means 1 ending with 1, 3, 5 and 7 and 9 are odd numbers, isn't it? So here 69 is an odd number because it ends with 9. 99 is an odd number because it ends with 9. 79 is also an odd number because it ends with 9. In the same way here 133 is an odd number, 165 is an odd number, isn't it? So these two you will try yourself, I am not going to give you, and you will write these two in your copy as well. Okay, this number and this number you will write in the copy, this one not required. Okay, so now we will discuss about ordinal numbers. Okay, today we will discuss from your book only, I have not taken anything extra. Okay, so ordinal numbers. So ordinal numbers means what, that we will understand from this picture. Okay, this is a picture of a girl, her name is Mala. She is watering the plants. Okay, there are so many plant flowers are there. Okay, so this one is the first one, second one, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So when we say first, second, third, instead of saying 1, 2, 3, when we say it as first, here it is written first, then second, then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. In place of one we say first. In place of 2 we say it as second. In place of 3 we say it as third. In place of 4 we say it as fourth. Okay, that is called as ordinal numbers. Okay, numbers which are used to tell the position of the objects in a line are called ordinal numbers. Okay, once more I repeat it. Numbers which are used to tell the position of the objects in a line are called ordinal numbers. Alright. Okay, now let us do this. Try this from the book. Okay, you will be writing, I will just tell it. Okay, now look at the picture and fill in the blanks. This is from page number 18. Okay children, you may write it down as well. The red balloon. Okay, number A, the red balloon is third, that means this is the red balloon. Okay, the dash balloon is fifth. In the fifth, which is the balloon? First, second, third, fourth, fifth. What color is this? You will write here yellow. Okay, this is a yellow balloon, isn't it? Now number C is the green balloon is. Where is the green balloon? You will write here fifth. Okay, FIF. The green balloon is fifth. FIFTH. Now here the dash balloon is fifth, means you will write in the fifth it is yellow. So you will write here YELLOW, yellow. Now number C is the green balloon is first. How you will write? You may write it as 1ST or FIRST. Both are correct. Okay. In number D, the dash balloon is fourth. Which color is this? Blue. So you write here BLUE, blue. Okay. The pink balloon is this one. It is in the second, isn't it? So you may write it as 2ND. Also you can write. Okay. Or SECOND, second. Both ways you can write. Okay. So you will be doing that one yourself. Now question number 2 is count from the left and cross the object as asked. See, second. Which is the second one? Yes, the second one is this chocolate. Now you have to count from the left and cross the eighth number. So eighth number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eighth number is the hat, isn't it? So you have to cross this one. Okay. Now here you have to cross the fifth one. Fifth one is the car, isn't it, children? Now the last one is you have to cross the fourth one. Fourth one is the eraser, isn't it? So you keep on doing along with me. Okay. Now question number 3 is color the fourth object. So what you will do? The fourth object is cup. So you will color that one. I am not going to do that one. Okay. That question I am not including. You will do it yourself. Now question number 5. Find the ordinal number of each letter of the word mango. See, what is the spelling of the mango? MANGO, mango, isn't it? So M is in the first. So I wrote it here first. A is in the second. So it is second. N is in third. So it is written as third in ordinal number. G is in the fourth. So it is written as fourth in ordinal number. O is in fifth. So it is written as fifth in the ordinal number. Okay. So now only one thing is left, that is mental maths. This one also already I have written it. You have to write this mental maths in your copy. Okay, children. Now see, the number name for the greatest 2-digit number is 99. Number name means you have to write the spelling. Spelling of greatest 2-digit number is 99. So 99 spelling I have written it here. In 124, the digit 2 is at dash place. See, digit 2, this is in ones place, 4 is in ones place, and 2 is in tens place. So 10. Okay. Now number 3 is 109 is written as. So 109, they have already in the question, it is already written in number name. So you have to write the number in digits. So 109. Okay. Now the place value of 7 in 7 is only one digit number. So that means 7 is in ones place. Okay. Now number 5 is the greatest number among. So what is the greatest number among all these? Obviously it is 752, isn't it? Both are with 7, but the tens place it is 5 and it is 1. So 752 is greater. Okay. Now number 6. Number 6 is 7th letter of the word Uttarakhand is. So find out which is the 7th letter. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7th. 7th is one, K. Okay, children. Now you have to understand this one little bit. Okay, number 7 is you need to listen nicely. Okay, the ones digit of a 2-digit number is 7. That means a 2-digit number. Okay, but in the ones place it is 7. That means maybe it is 17 or maybe 27, 37, 47, any number, but in the ones place it is 7. Okay, so the 2-digit number is an what? 7 is a odd number or even number? Yes, 7 is odd number. So that 2-digit number will be an odd number. Okay, so at first you write it down in the textbook mental maths, then afterwards you have to copy it down in your copy. All right, so this is the end of this chapter. I hope you understand nicely. Tomorrow I am going to give you a revision on this chapter for your online test. So thank you so much, children. Have a nice day.